Hello, Woodmanston Primary. Mr. Meredith here, and it's my turn this week to do our celebration assembly. I've been looking at Twitter and seeing all the fantastic home learning from all of you that's being shared and uploaded by your teachers and your parents. You're all making such a fantastic effort at home, and it's really lovely to see all the amazing things that you've been doing, and such a wide variety as well. From research projects to projects outdoors to some fantastic artwork. I've really enjoyed looking through it all, and I'm going to share some examples at the end of this assembly. I'd also like to say a special well done to our Year 6 pupils this week. This would have been their SATs tests, and while that's been cancelled this year, they've still been at home and working incredibly hard, and we are so very, very proud of them, of how much effort they've been putting into their learning. And I'd like to share a little poem with you about our Year 6 pupils. So here at Woodmanston, you have made us so proud. We sit here with pride, we shout this out loud. Year 6, you amaze us, you have come so incredibly far. We don't need a test to know how amazing you are. Now we're going to share some of your fantastic home learning from this week.